Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the new immigration chief, and his name is Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdoan. And the interesting thing about the new immigration chief is there have been some recent announcements in various newspapers where the immigration chief has reiterated prior policy, but also made some statements that I've found interesting, wherein he's made it clear that certain policies not only will remain with respect to security, but also policies with respect to facilitation of tourists will also be undertaken. And I've made it clear in other videos on this channel, notwithstanding that I talk a lot about immigration raids, immigration policy enforcement, the tightening of overall immigration enforcement, heightened scrutiny of various applications. At the end of the day, as I've noted in previous videos, Thai immigration is not particularly interested in disturbing genuine tourists, for lack of a better term. That's not their function. They don't really want to cause any problem for tourists if they're genuinely here for tourism purposes. And this was put on display quite clearly in a recent article from the Bangkok Post. That article is entitled New Immigration Chief Bullish, and they're discussing the new immigration chief, again, Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdoan. And in a recent article, and I should say, to go ahead and quote directly from the new head of immigration, quoting, "We want to assist good tourists who have purchasing power. They bring income to the country. As for security arrangements, we focus on checking backgrounds of various people with Interpol and immigration authorities in other countries." I think that that's really noteworthy because he said this specifically, okay? And I've noted this before, and he's being very clear about it. Look, there is clearly an economic boon to Thailand by tourists coming in, but also they just want to make, I think they're trying to make it clear, yes, security concerns are paramount with Thai immigration. Low these past few years now. They've really ramped up enforcement efforts, as we've seen in the various raids, Operation X-Ray Outlaw Foreigner, etc., the Good Guys In, Bad Guys Out initiative. All of that shows that overall security is a primary factor in what they're doing. But that being said, as noted here, tourism is also a primary factor. It contributes extensively to the GDP of Thailand. And for that reason, I think any tourist who's watching this video or prospective tourists, don't be upset by some of what you will see on this channel with respect to those who are trying to live in Thailand. Yes, there are various obstacles associated with keeping and maintaining, I should say, obtaining, keeping, and maintaining one's lawful immigrant status here in the kingdom, or immigration status, I should say. And for that reason, I do a lot of videos on those topics. But as stated from the head of immigration himself, those genuine tourists looking to come in and just, travel around Thailand, and the ones that bring in economic benefit to the country, they're going to be facilitated. They're not going to be, sort of disturbed, for lack of a better term. So take that as you will, but I think it's pretty nice to note Thailand is not looking to cause problems for tourists. And I won't even say they're looking to cause problems for non-immigrants. It's just they needed to tighten up the apparatus, and it's causing a little tension here while everybody's getting used to the new system.